How to change Weverse icon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing the icon on Weverse. So let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Weverse application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, in order to change the icon, once you're in the home page, tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of the screen that is beside the DM option. Tap on it. But from here, you're supposed to click on Gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're there, again scroll down and in the Additional Features section, you will see the option of Change App icon. Tap on it. And you can see the indication that changing the app icon is an exclusive benefit for digital membership holders as well. As I do not have the membership, the artist icon are locked for me. And if I scroll down, there is a basic, style, and seasonal section. From here, I can choose any one I like, but I need to have the membership. If you subscribe to the digital membership, you can go ahead and try out the function to change the app icon. And in order to do that, tap on subscribe to digital membership and go through the on-screen instructions. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.